Greetings and blessings and loves. I have co-created with the Archangels another invocation prayer. This one is to restore your faith, and we titled it Angelic Restoration of Faith Invocation. If you want to come in agreement with this message, just simply say you are in agreement with this message. You can wait till you listen to it and then replay it if you want. You can actually, what I recommend and what is most powerful is, and what the angels are saying they recommend too, is to read it out loud with your own voice. You guys, I cannot explain how extremely powerful it is when we speak things into existence, okay? It is extremely powerful. Please know you are extremely powerful. And I love you. Okay, let's go. Source of all life, eternal presence, infinite intelligence, I come before you, stripped of pretense, honest in my longing, ready to remember the faith my soul once knew. Where my belief has fractured under the weight of the world, enter now with healing light. Where disappointment has dimmed my trust, reunite the sacred flame within me. I surrender doubt, fear, and spiritual fatigue, and open myself fully to divine restoration. I now call forth the holy archangels, messengers of the Most High, pillars of light who stand between heaven and earth. Archangel Michael, sword of truth, defender of faith, stand at my side. Cut through illusion, despair, and spiritual confusion. Fortify my will. Return me to courage, certainty, and divine trust. Help me stand firm when my feet feel shaken. Archangel Gabriel, messenger of God, voice of divine revelation, speak clarity into my soul. Where I no longer hear guidance, restore my ability to listen. Announce hope where silence once lived. Remind me that divine messages still flow, even in the quiet. Archangel Raphael, angel of healing and wholeness, move gently through my heart and mind. Heal the wounds caused by unanswered prayers, broken expectations, and grief. Restore my faith in healing, in renewal, and in the goodness of the journey. Archangel Uriel, bearer of divine wisdom and inner light, illuminate the darkness of my understanding. Help me see meaning where I once saw chaos. Ground my faith in wisdom, not fear. Teach me to trust the lessons unfolding in my life. Archangel Zachiel, angel of mercy and transformation, help me release judgment, resentment, and guilt. Transmute my pain into compassion. Restore my faith in forgiveness and grace, and in the redemptive power of love. Archangel Chamuel, angel of divine love and peace, Heal my faith in love itself. Where my heart has closed to protect itself, gently open it. Help me trust love again, both human and divine. Archangel Metatron, keeper of sacred order and divine blueprint, align me with my higher purpose. Restore my faith in divine structure and timing. Remind me that nothing in my life is wasted. All that and that all things are unfolding with sacred precision. Surrounded now by angelic light, I remember who I am. I remember that faith is not something I must force, but something I must allow to return. I choose trust over fear. I choose remembrance over doubt. I choose faith as my natural state. I let my spirit rise. I let my heart soften. I let my faith be fully restored, strengthened, and embodied in every thought, word, and action. I receive this restoration now. I seal it in the love, light, and truth. And so it is, and so it shall be. I love you all so much. I hope you enjoyed it.